Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's short video, we are going to discuss on the two new features from the TradingView, and the logic is the same. I know that there are sometimes the people who have a difficulty to find the high, low, and how to deploy the AVWAV, which is the start point, end point, and the calculation of that price, the stock. If it's considered this is a chart starting from 6 to the 15. So in this chart, if you want to know that how many percent of the stock is up or down, that will auto calculation. So there are the two updates which I have received the link also. From that I'm going to be show you that how you can deploy in your chart and how you can get a benefit from that. Friends, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please share with among your friends. So the first update here we are going to see over here, this is the link which I got it from that TradingView. So the first update is the chart priority. They have added the new things, that the new chart.bg, this is the Pine script coding one. So here you don't need to see in the detail, but I'm giving you that how it works also. Like this is the coding we have that we can copy and paste also. So this is the thing you can see here. Like if you zoom out, then it will automatically calculate that currently it's in the down 1%, but if I'm again the longer time period, I'll see, then it will show me that okay, from the high it is now is 15 point, then from here 5 point. But if I want to see on my chart how I deploy, so let's go do one thing. This is the all the script we have, so you can just copy, go to your chart, look for the Pine editor. Here you will have this one, so just remove all this thing, delete and paste it over here. So what we have copied from here, just paste over here, save. It will ask you the name, just save it and add to chart. So once you add to the chart, there you can see it will auto calculation. Currently I'm having a 15-minute chart. If I'll change to 1 hour, if I'll change 1 hour, it will start to check from the my first bar over here. If I go further out, right, so it will automatically change from the first candle until now how much is the difference. Then I want to go on the 5-minute chart. So when I'll go on the 5-minute chart, you will see that how it updates. Currently it's starting from this point to now at the 895, it's showing 1.46. that you can change in the 1-day time period also, and it works on all the charts. It's not only for the one, but all the charts, whichever the, like how many bars in your one screen, that will calculate. If I'll zoom, it will be changed. That you can see start from here until the last candle. Again I go further zoom, it will start from this candle. If I'll go further zoom, it will start from here. Then you can get it this auto. So if you want to get this to know that how is the trend currently from the time where you are seeing your chart, it will help you to identify. But the now thing is that I want to know that the more important thing for us is the AVWAV. So first I will just delete this one, and I'll go over here, type chart VWAV. So this is the new indicator by the TradingView, which you can, it's a free also, so you just click here and there you can see it's auto deploy. So the benefit of this is that you can get it in any time period and the time from the chart you started. So let's move it to the 15-minute, go to the any chart, right? So it will start from here till the last candle. There you can see. If I'll go and zoom further, so it will start to calculate from this candle. If I'll go further zoom, it will start from this candle. So it depends on that what chart frame, what time frame you are using. If I'll change to 1 hour, it will start again from this candle and then 1 hour VWAV. So I don't need to change anything, no need to find the first candle, last candle, high or low. I just need to zoom in or zoom out. Let's see, this is the how it works. If I need a further longer one, then it's change, further longer one, it change automatically. So I'm sure that this indicator really help you, friends, and this is the Pine script link I will share in the description also. That, and if you don't find it, just leave a comment that, you know, if many people who are not able to go through this link, I'm not sure because I'm a premium member, so I get this link, but if you are unable to get through that link, so just let me know in the comments so I can create a one text note or else the word file that I will copy paste this, so at least you can use it on under your Pine editor and it's free for you. So friends, I hope this like this video, and definitely it will help you. Thank you friends, see you again, take care, bye bye.